Here's Mezzo. It packs all the features of an advanced installed dedicated amplifier platform in half the size. Mezzo is available in a combination of two power supply sizes, 320 watts and 600 watts, and with 2 and 4 channel configurations. Each channel is capable of delivering the entirety of the available power at almost any load. It can be installed anywhere, thanks to the included mounting kit. Setting up a system with Mezzo is just a matter of connecting the speakers, selecting between high or low impedance, and holding the same button for 3 seconds to activate the auto setup function. Mezzo will match the requirements of the speakers, automatically applying high-pass filters, limiter, and gain, so that a balanced signal of 4 dBu gives full power. When state-of-the-art networking is required, the AD versions offer Dante and AES67 connectivity, and the inputs can be shared with other devices within the same environment. And of course, both versions allow for remote system management and monitoring through Harmonia Plus. But most of all, Mezzo heralds the same standard of reliability of any Powersoft amplifier platform, engineered to perform tirelessly and deliver a superior listening experience. Mezzo, the better, smaller solution.